So in this video, in chapter 7's IP addressing, we will answer all the inside activities in chapter 7. So the first activity is decimal to binary conversion activity. So we'll have instructions. So these activities allows you to participate of decimals conversions 8 to binary values. We recommended that you work to this until you are able to do conversion without errors. Convert the decimal number shown in the decimal values row in the binary bits. So we have a 32, so it will common that will be 0 0 and will be 1 0 0 0 0 0. So we will just add, so with the decimal value 32, so we cannot put another value, so this 32 will only, so the binary values have enter position are correct, so click the new number to continue. So we have new number, so this, like this one, there's higher number, so we put the 1 here, so 128, so we'll 0 in this one. Try that 128 plus 32, no, is higher, above higher, so 128 plus 16, so we'll put this one, so 144, 128 plus 16, it will 144, so plus 4 will be 148, no, so we'll put 0 here, 0 1, then tab 1, we'll check. So correct the binary values have enters, all positions are correct, so please click new number to continue. So we put another number, so 17, so it's higher number, 173, 1, then 164, so 128 plus 64, so it's a bit higher, so put 0 here, 128 plus 32 plus 16, 146 plus 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1. So try again, 128 plus 32 plus 16 plus 8, 128 plus 32 plus 16, 28 plus 32, so put 1 here, oops, 0, tab 1, 1, then 1, then 0. We'll check if my answer is correct. So correct, the binary of enters for all positions are correct. So we'll proceed to the next activity, this chapter. So we are done in page of decimals to binary conversions. We'll proceed to this activity of unicast, broadcast, and multicast. So instruction is click the start to view the destination IP address. Click the host, which will receive a packet based on the address type of unicast, broadcast, or multicast. These times activities, so we'll have a 10 seconds answers these activities. It's each start, so we will start. So 1, 2, 2, 5. So we will not click anywhere of this because we don't have a destination IP of 1.2255. So you have successfully identified the transmission type. Please try again. So we'll try again. Stop. So I'm late. I cannot enter this too. So we'll try again. Stop. Not ready. Reset and then start. 192.126.237. So this one, these two. You have successfully identified the transmission. So we'll reset and start 192.255, and like this in the first example questions, will not enter anywhere of this. Successfully identify the transmission type. We'll reset and start again. Last one, 192.168.1.602. This one. We have successfully identified the transmission type. So we'll proceed to the next activity. So this one. So activity pass or block IPv4 address. You have points here if you correct the you pick the correct answer, if will be pass or block. So decide to pass or block each IP addresses depending on whether it's public, the internet, or private small network. Click to start to begin and click pass or block. So we'll start. So +1. So I have minus will be B block. +1. So correct, you have successfully identified public and private IP address. So proceed to the next activity. So this one we will identify if the IP address is public or private. So first, drag each IP addresses to correct category of public or private. Like in doing a previous activity, we'll identify if it's pass or block, or it's public or private. So first we will identify the 172.16.35.2. So will be here in the 5 rate, and then this one, and then 192.168.3.5, and then 192.3.5. So it will be the public one, and then this one, and the three of these will be the public. So the remaining will be the private. So we'll check. So correct. You have correctly identified all the IP addresses. We proceed to the next activity. So drag the IPv4 and IPv6 terms to fill the next appropriate description. So we have a term, this one, and I have the description. So first, 128-bit address, 340 undecillion addresses. So we will be IPv4 because IPv6 is more higher than IPv4. This one is IPv4 because it's 32-bit, so it will be IPv4. And then transports IPv6 packets over one IPv4 networks. No, it will be tunneling. Next is uses NAT64 to convert between IPv6 IPv4. So it uses NAT64 is the translations between of IPv4 and IPv6 to convert, and the last one, the remaining one, is the WASACs. Allow IPv4 and IPv6 to coexist as the same network segment. So we'll check. So correct, you have successfully matched the IPv4 and IPv6 terms to their descriptions. We'll proceed to the next activity. So in these activities of practicing IPv6 representation, instruction convert IPv6 addresses into short, omit the leading zeros, and compress forms use numbers, buttons, and pages to continue these activities. So we will omit all the zeros here in the given or perform format. So like this one, so 2001, and then it will be 0 because we will omit 0, and then DB8, so and then 11, we'll omit 0 in the this layer, and then 0 0 0, and then 200. We will omit the 0 in the first part, so we will compress it to 1 dash 0 0 DB8 1111 dash dash and 200. We'll check. So correct, congratulations, you got them all. So proceed to number 2. So 2013, we'll omit, it will be 0, and then 1 2 3, then 4 5 6, and then 89 AB. So it will be C D E F, then omit it 0, and then 1. We will compress it to 2013 0 1 2 3 and 4 5 6 7 to 89 AB, then C D E F 0, then 1. Oh, we have an error. 4 5 6 7 89 AB C D E F. So correct, we have got them all. So proceed to number 3. So it will be 0 0 times 0 0 0 0 0, and then 1. Put this in 1 like this one. So correct, congratulations, you got them all. So proceed to the next, number 4, the 2012 E B C D E F 01 22 45 6 7 8, then 910, then triple A, quadruple A, then B. So we'll compress it to 2012 ABCD EF 01, then 23 45, then 6 7 8 910, then AA, then BB. We'll check. So correct. So we proceed to number 5. So AB1E, and then 2B00, then 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and then 9 1 0 1 1 1 2, and 1 1 1 3. So we'll compress it to AB1E, then 2B00, then 0, then 1 2 3 4, then 5 6 7 8 to 9 1 0 1, then 1 1 1 2, then 1 1 1 3. Check. So I think this will be like this one. So correct. Number 6. Omit the leading zeros. B, 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 2B, then EF 12, B, FF 3, 9 1 2 5, 1 1 1 1, 1 0 1, 1 1 1 1, then 1 0 1. So we will compress it to BB 2B, and then EF 12, and then BFF3, BFF3, and then 9125, then 1111, then 101, then 1111, then 101. Check this one. So correct. So proceed to number 7. 1129, 1984, then 2233, 4455, and 6677. We omit it 0 0, then 101. So 1129, then 1984, then 2233, then 4455, 6. We omit it in 0, so 101. So correct. So we proceed to number 8. So 11, so 11, 0 0 0 0 0, 101, 1111. So down it will be compressed 8 to 111 dash dash and 101 111. So correct. So proceed to number 9. 1031 to 1976, 1 2 3 4, and 0, and 101. So we'll compress it in this way. 131 1976, 1 1 2 3 4, and then 101. So correct. So the last one number, so 0 0 0 1 2 3 4, and 6 6 7 8, 9 1 0 1 0, and 3 4 AB. So format is like this one. So correct. So well done in this activity. So we'll proceed to the next activity of this chapter. So this will be the last activity in chapter 7. So activity, identify types of IPv4 addresses. Sorry for that. Then you'll find the term. So instructions, drag IPv6 address type to the most appropriate description. So unique internet routables IPv6 dynamic or static will be the global unicast. So it will be a matic will be in local. So it will be global unicast because of it has a 211 db8 ACAD, and we have a prefix of 64. And then it will be the type of IPv6 refers to indicate network portion of addresses 64. And then the last one would be the link local, used to communicate off other device on the same IPv6 subnet. So correct, you have successfully matched the IPv6 addresses types to their descriptions. So this is all about in this activity in chapter 7's activity. So that's all. Thank you.